Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir.
Good morning. Okay, now I am sending you a link in your campus care. This one 5AC GSC. So in campus care, I am sending you a link, and this is not an open-ended test. In this test, if you will write wrong answer, so it will show you wrong. If you will write correct answer, so you will get message for correct. So let me just send you first in the campus care. In campus care homework section, you have to check. Just wait 1 minute. Within a minute, it will reach you. I'm sending 4 links. Any one link you just have to click and it will open. 5A and 5C. Okay, subject is GSC. Now link is uploading. Okay. You will get message within a minute. It is taking a little bit time. It's still showing. Please wait. But no problem, you will get. You just need to click that link and you have to mention your name. When you will mention your name, so it will be redirected to you a page in which question and answer you just have to start writing your, yeah, now it is sent. Someone tell me, did you receive in campus care? Shalsina, did you receive?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start appearing the test, and in this test result also will be published. Now let me share it now on your WhatsApp group also. Five AC. Now I am sending 5AC group also. Now I am sending in Zoom chat box also. Check everyone your Zoom chat box, you will get there also. Now start appearing the test. Start appearing the test. Yesterday it was an open-ended test. Open-ended test means whatever wrong answer you will write or whatever correct answer you will write, it will show you correct only. After my checking, it will show you correct or incorrect. But today it is not like that. Today I have fixed the answer. I have already feeded the answer. And if you will write wrong answer, you will get the message of wrong answers. And if you will write correct, so it will be appeared in green color correct. You appear the test, start appearing the test. That's very easy. By the time, let me see at how many are there today in the class. Akanksha Ishi, Abhinav Jaidev, Arif Akhtar, Ayush, Dhairya Gupta, Dipanshu Sharma, Ishika Kumari, Garima Sharma, Ishant Raj, Krish Kumar, then Kumar Abhinav. Okay. Then Mantasa Mukhtar, MD Farhan, Mauli Singh, Richa Kumari, Rimi Naik, Riya Marodia, Sama Shaurya, Shail Sinha. Then Shivam Kumar, Shwetav Anand, Simran Kumari, Tanya Shri, Urvashi, Utsav Raj. So these are the students who are appearing this test. Let me check that how many are participating in this test. Five AC, GSC. Okay. Total participants now 26. Accuracy 12%. Okay. So let me check their name, those who are appearing this test. After appearing, your result also will be appeared. Utsav Raj. Out of 17, he has made 10 correct answers and 7. This symbol means still test is going on or the participant is still appearing this test. This is the symbol. Okay. Then Mauli Singh, Akanksha, Ishant, Shail Sinha, Abhinav Jaidev, Riya Marodia, Shatab, Garima Sharma, Tanya Shri. Because I have checked this test, so my name also is here. Rimi Naik, Kumar Abhinav, Mantasa, Sana Shaurya, Shivam Kumar, Ishika Kumari, Dipanshu Sharma, Aditya. Then those who have written this name HCH, their result will not be published. Richa Kumari, MD Farhan, Ayush, and Dhairya Gupta, Dipanshu. Okay, these are the students. Then I will refresh it, so it will show the correct result. And those who will complete, raise your hand. Okay, Richa Kumari raised her hand. Richa Kumari, unmute yourself. You have completed.
Sir, my test is not opening.
Click this test. Click that test link again.
Okay, sir.
Anyone is facing any problem? Those who are facing any problem, raise your hand and you can ask me. Okay. Those who will complete, they have to raise their hand. Utsav Raj, you have completed.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. Sir, salad add this to our body. Vitamins. Answer is vitamin C.
Whatever answer I have mentioned in that, only that answer it will accept. And in the, who is calling me now? Someone is calling me. Hello. अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं. ऑफिस आवर तक खुला रहता है. मेरे ख्याल से 9 बजे से 12-1 बजे तक रहता है शायद. एग्जैक्टली तो पता नहीं है क्योंकि हम तो अभी भागलपुर में हैं. While taking class, if someone calls me, okay, while taking class, if someone calls me, the net get disconnected. So many times I have told parents that while taking class, you don't need to call, but they don't understand, they call. Ishant Raj completed.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, that in salad one it was some problem.
In salad, what is the answer?
Sir, answer showing vitamin A.
And I have feed in that vitamin C. It was written in that, someone has written the book, in the book vitamin C. So I have typed vitamin C. So salad answer only will be wrong. So you can correct it. I will correct. Okay. That is typing mistake. Okay, Utsav Raj.
Okay, sir.
I'll check it. Let me show you book. Someone has written in the book vitamin C. So I just have typed in that. I did not check. Let me show you book here. In the book, someone has written vitamin C. So that I have typed simply. Let me know, are you able to see the book? What I have opened on the screen, are you able to see the book? Let me know someone. Utsav Raj. Shal Sinha, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see book, what I have opened on the screen right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, someone has written here vitamin C. So I just have typed.
Yes, sir.
Salads add this to our food. Vitamin C, someone has written. Because I do not have book now. I have book in my school. So I tell students to send the photographs of the books. So those who have sent the photographs of the book, he studies in Bhagalpur St. Joseph here. He takes tuition from me. So he has sent this page. Vitamin C and adulteration.
Bhagalpur St. Joseph ICSC board.
Yes, St. Joseph, Bhagalpur St. Joseph. So he takes tuition. Okay, he takes tuition from me, online tuition. So I said to him that send
Yes,
this
sir.
page. So when he sent this page, so he has written the answer wrong, vitamin C, and I did not check it. That's why it has happened one answer only. So it will happen only one answer. Otherwise, the rest of the answers are correct. Is it not? Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
I think, okay, so now I think most of the students have completed. Now let me show the result. Those who have completed, raise your hand in your chat box. Those who have completed, raise your hand in chat box. Only 5 students have raised their hand in the chat box. Shalsina, Abhinav, Jaydev, Shantraj, Utsavraj, Ishika, Garima. Means many of them have not completed yet. Those who have completed, raise your hand in chat box. Okay, I will come to know. When I will open the result, I will come to know those who have completed and those who have not completed. So let us come to the result page here. Now we have the result page 5 ACGSC. Let me see the reports. Reports means report card. Now total participants, number of the participants has increased now. Earlier it was 26 only, now it has increased to 46. Okay, Utsavraj 17. Okay, Molly Singh 17 out of 17. Okay, these are correct. Ishant, just because of that salad question and answer, he has written one wrong answer, but no problem. Those who have written 16, well, 16 correct answers means they have written all answers correct. In that, I will correct it afterwards. In Sama Shaurya, Dipanshu, Sama Shaurya has made 2 wrong answers. Dipanshu 3. Kumar, Abhinav, Richa Kumari 5. Richa Kumari has made 5 wrong answers. Then Ishika also has made 5 wrong answers. Richa Kumari also. Ria Marodia, she is still appearing the test. This symbol means students are appearing the test. Shatavanand 8. Shatavanand has made 8 wrong answers. Then Kislay Raj 3. Kislay Raj is still appearing the test. When I will refresh this page, again it will show the correct answers. Then Akanksha Ishi, Tanya Shivi, Ria Marodia, Mantasa, Shivam Kumar, Abhinav Jaydev, Garima Sharma, Hari Gupta, MD Farhan, Dipanshu. And this is the symbol means students are appearing the test. So let me refresh again this page. I am refreshing this page again. Whenever I will refresh, so it will show you the correct answers. See, now number of the participants, total participants has increased 51. Earlier it was 46, and before 46 it was 26. 26 to 46 and 46 to 51 it has reached here till here. Now let me check. So whenever I will refresh the page, it will show the correct data. Now see Savraj, Molly Singh, Shalsina, all of them have written. Kislay Raj is still appearing the test. Mantasa, all of them. These students are left. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Now let me unmute one student and I will open this test. Then you have to answer. Let me unmute here Garima Sharma. No, Shalsina, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am opening that test and you have to say all the correct answers. And let me check how some students, why some students have written wrong answers. That I will check right now here. Let me open that test. That test is going to start on the screen. Okay. Are you seeing the page? Are you seeing the page, Shalsina? Shalsina, are you able to see the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The food which helps the body to grow, what is the correct answer?
Milk.
Yes, I have written milk, so milk will be the correct answer. Okay. Let me check. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron. What is the correct answer?
True. True.
Okay, true. Then choose correct option. Scurvy. What is the correct answer?
Sunlight. Sunlight.
Sunlight. Okay. Let me.
Vitamin C. Vitamin C.
Vitamin C. Choose this. Okay, let me check vitamin C. Yes, vitamin C is the correct answer. Vitamin C is the correct answer. Okay, fiber is not
False.
needed in our food. False. Okay. Let me
False.
tell you. False. Okay. Okay, this one is also correct. This is the power. What power I get? Eliminate one incorrect option. Okay, I can eliminate, means I can remove one incorrect answers if I want. There are mainly 5 types of nutrients in our food. Tell me the answer.
True. True.
True. Okay. Addition of unwanted or unsafe substances to food products.
Food adulteration.
Food adulteration. Okay.
Food adulteration.
Spelling you have to write correctly. If you will write wrong spelling, so your answer will become wrong.
Yes, sir.
So I am going up. Choose correct option. Fat. What is the correct answer? This question.
Energy.
Yes.
Energy.
Very good. This question you remember that in the book it is given in in match the following. Is it given?
Yes, sir. Energy. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So energy is correct answer. So I have adjusted like that. Our body can make all vitamins.
False.
False.
Very good. Salads add to this our food.
Salad.
So here
Vitamin C, correct answer. Vitamin C, correct answer.
So I have written vitamin C. So if someone will write vitamin C, then it will show you correct answer. But it is showing incorrect. I have written vitamin A. What I have written. So only this was wrong. Salads add to this to our food. Tell me the answer.
Book answer is vitamin C and the Q's answer is vitamin A.
Vitamin A. Okay, let me check. Let me type vitamin A here. Okay. Book answer is vitamin C. That I will make it correct afterwards. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I have got one streak, one power I have got. Loss of muscles, thin stomach, loose skin.
Marasmus. Marasmus.
Marasmus.
Marasmus.
Marasmus. Okay, mobilization is stopped now. Pulses are good source of protein.
Pulses are a good source of protein. True.
True.
A vitamin that is required good side.
for good
Vitamin A. Vitamin A.
Okay, this one is also correct. Again, I am getting power. Which power I am getting? Let me see. Double jeopardy means you can double the numbers. Whatever marks you have got, it will make you double. Choose correct option. Vitamin D.
Vitamin. Sunlight.
Sunlight. Yes, sunlight is the correct answer. Yes, sunlight is the correct answer. You haven't used,
Activate.
you haven't used jeopardy yet. Double jeopardy. You won't be able to use it after
Double
15
jeopardy.
minutes. Yes, I can activate, no problem.
Activate. Activate.
What power you have got?
Yes, sir.
What power you got?
Calcium teeth. Calcium teeth.
Okay.
Teeth.
While answering all the questions, what power you have got, Utsavraj? Condition caused by excess sugar in the blood. Davids. What is Davids?
Diabetes.
Yeah, diabetes. You are saying diabetes.
Answer is diabetes. Book answer is diabetes.
And diabetes, it is said
Answer is diabetes. Yes.
diabetes.
Answer is wrong. Answer is wrong.
Typing mistake. In place of B, I have typed
Yes.
N. A disease caused by the deficiency of some nutrients in the
Defensive diseases. Defensive diseases.
deficiency. Deficiency is not deficiency. Deficiency.
Deficiency. Deficiency.
Deficiency, you have to say.
Yes, sir. Disease. DIS. Yes, sir. Correct.
Now this is the last question. Diet containing all the nutrients in proper amount.
Diet containing all the nutrients in
Balanced
proper
diet.
amount. Balanced diet. Correct answer.
Yes. Condition means it is the power. This
diabetes.
Yes, this is strict giving me that question again to write. Condition caused by excess sugar in the
Diabetes.
blood. Okay, diabetes. Earlier in place of B, I have typed N. That's why. Only one answer was wrong. That was the salad. Salad add this to our food. In the book is written vitamin A, but one boy has written vitamin C. So I have typed in that question only. That's why it's showing like that.
Yes, sir.
So it's very easy, very simple test. And the best part
Yes,
of
sir.
the test is that
Very
Music
nice
also
taste.
music also was going
Sir,
on.
very nice taste.
Did you like that music?
Yes, sir. Very nice taste.
Okay, so everyone write your next
I
homework.
like this set.
Okay, so everyone write your next homework. Page number 45, short answer questions. Short answer questions. And page number 46, long question. No, let it be only short answer. Page number
Yes,
next
sir.
in the next
Okay.
class. In the next class, I will prepare. I will prepare the test on.
Okay, sir.
I will prepare only on short question and answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now I have to teach class 6 students, class 6A. They are waiting and class is going to end. Only 5 minutes is left. So today only. So I'm going to unmute to each and everyone saying bye. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Very cute child.
He is very naughty. He is cute as well as naughty also.